Marco Colbert, Speed Coat Finish Network. We have our lucky YouTube winner here. As I promised, we're going to be doing a couple hours of auto body and refinishing training. So I promised whoever won, we'd probably be doing just like a small bumper job. So luckily, Luis is here with us now. He's got this spot where he kind of tapped a tree. This is one of those more tricky repairs. This has got a lot of spider web cracking. So something like this, you got to sand it really down to bare plastic, you know, adhesion promoter, primer sealer, something like that, and then start with your base coat. This area right here, we're going to be sanding this out 320. Pretty much the rest of the area, we're just going to be hit with some scuff paste, just so any material that we're spraying on there will stick. And then we have a blend here, and we have a blend here. We're going to be using the $25 spray gun that I'm actually giving to Luis. We're actually going to be using it on this job today, full, you know, for the base coat and the clear coat. And I mean, it is wintertime outside. It's really, really cold. So, you know, we'll see how good this comes out. I'm pretty excited. He's pretty excited. So we're going to get to work on this thing. We're all taped up. We got all of our damage sanded out. We got our blend areas sanded out with 2000 grit. We put Luis on the gun. We put the adhesion promoter and primer sealer just over the damaged area that we sanded. And we're all 100% ready for paint. We're gonna go ahead, we're gonna put one light coat of base over the adhesion promoter primer sealer, and then one heavier coat and kind of take our blend area out, and then it's time for some clear. Wraps it up with the bumper touch up. Came out decent. Obviously, you know, we just cracked the door, got a couple small dust specks in it, but the clear coat came out super smooth, super high gloss. Luis had a fun time playing with the spray gun. This is actually his first time using a spray gun ever in his whole life. He actually did a really decent job. It's really just satisfying, you know, seeing a really messed up bumper, which was all cracked up and to bare plastic, and just doing a really nice little cheap touch-up job like this, and just seeing the end result is really satisfying. Our blends came out decently smooth. They're not perfect because of how cold it is outside. Typically, blender solutions work better with heat, but they did still come out exceptionally smooth. I don't think they're going to really need much wet sanding or polishing to make them smooth and perfect.